The winner is Toni Erdmann by Maren Ade.
Oh, it was a very nice experience and very interesting experience to stand there for this little moment. I will definitely never forget that. Yeah, with the Lux Prize it's special because it's already like a prize when you're nominated, because your film is subtitled and it goes out to so many countries, and that's like for a filmmaker already a very big award.
I'm Toni Erdmann. I'm consultant and coach.
Wow. I'm a political person, but I don't think that I do like political films. I hope that they raise some questions later, and in my film definitely tells something about the globalized world we live in. I think it's always important to leave something open, and with Toni Erdmann it was really, I focused very much also on the personal story of the two characters.
Willst du mich fertig machen oder was? Papa, ich rede mit dir.
Wenn es um Ihren Vater geht, da bin ich nicht der Richtige.
It started with the wish to make a comedy or maybe make a film about humor. And while shooting, it became more and more melancholic, I had the feeling. Because the thing is, the father plays a comedy for his daughter, but he's doing it out of desperation.
I have to arrest you.
So, und jetzt mach's bitte auf.
They have definitely two very different systems of values. The father is, for me, very typical German character that belonged to the post-war generation in Germany that was very political and raised their children with a lot of human values, hoping that something like the Nationalsozialismus will never happen again. And so it's a bit hard for him to see what she's doing now. In a way, he lost her to that globalized world that he once believed in.